The 30-second investment hack that will make you rich? How to build wealth in just 30 seconds a day. Stop wasting money. The quickest investment trick you need. Think getting rich takes years? Think again. This one 30-second investment hack can change your financial future forever. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to start investing smartly in just 30 seconds a day. Watch till the end because I'll reveal a bonus strategy used by the world's richest investors. Why most people never invest? Most people think investing is complicated, but the real reason they never start? Fear, lack of knowledge. Common excuses for not investing. I don't have enough money. It's too risky. I don't know where to start. Reality check. Even investing $1 per day compounds into thousands over time. Fact. If you invested $5 a day into the S&P 500 over 30 years, you'd have over $400,000. The 30-second investment hack? Now, let's get straight to the hack that takes 30 seconds a day and can build massive wealth. Step 1. Automate small investments. Use apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Fidelity to automatically invest spare change from purchases. Set a daily auto-invest of just $1, $5, or $10. It adds up. Step 2. Cost averaging DCA. Invest a small amount daily or weekly to avoid market timing mistakes. Works for stocks, ETFs, crypto, and real estate. REITs. Step 3. Invest in index funds. Instead of picking individual stocks, buy S&P 500 ETFs like VU or SPY for steady long-term growth. Step 4. Reinvest your profits. When you make money, don't cash out, reinvest. That's how you maximize compound interest. Bonus strategy. How the rich invest differently. Want to invest like the wealthy? Here's the secret. They don't just invest, they leverage their money. Bonus hack. Use your investments as collateral for loans. Margin investing. This allows you to keep your money growing while still using cash flow. Wealthy investors also use real estate dividends. Buy assets instead of liabilities. Cars, luxury items, bad investments. Understand, buy, hold, beats timing the market. Even Warren Buffett says the best investment is long-term index funds. So there you have it, the 30-second investment hack that can set you up for life. Start today. No excuses. Comment below. How much will you start investing daily? I'll be posting more finance hacks, so subscribe now and turn on notifications. Want to know the secret to becoming a millionaire? Watch this video next.